Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we are enjoying a stay, actually over Labor Day weekend, at Lakeside RV Park in Provo, Utah. Come along with us and let us show you all around this park.
Thanks.
Now, just off of Interstate 15 at the Provo Center Street exit, you'll head west about 3 miles. You'll go through a little bit of the town. You'll go what appears to be kind of out in the country to find this park. This is a map of the park, and it's not one of the larger parks we've been in, but it is a really nice park.
It is.
Now, my thought originally was 3 miles away from the interstate, it's going to be nice and quiet. For the most part, it was. What we didn't realize is we were directly across the street from Provo's airport, which is served now by Allegiant and very soon to be by American Airlines.
I believe next week.
So there's a lot of larger aircrafts in and out of there, as well as the private aircrafts and small aircrafts. But you come right around this bend and you'll come to the entrance of the park.
It comes up on you quick.
Yeah, you don't see it until you're right up on it.
I don't think Google helps much there either.
No, Google was actually taking us 4/10 of a mile beyond the park. But, so just watch directions if you're using GPS. We're gonna come right straight on back in here and show you just this right-hand edge of the park. There are back-end sites along the outside edge, but every other site in the park is a full hookup pull-through. And as we came straight back here, you'll see the volleyball court. You'll see a great playground. And then you'll see a little pavilion there. And that pavilion is for the Sunrise group tent camping area. And the whole way down along this outside edge is all tent camping. This is the only part of the park that is marked no dogs. It's marked on every site. If you're a dog owner and you're tenting, there are other sites that we'll show you here in a moment, but this site over here is all no dogs. Now, where you see this travel trailer in front of us, that's when you come in to go in the office to check in. This is the office right there. There's ice and firewood right outside. Right behind it is a beautiful pool area.
Oh, it was nice.
And Labor Day weekend, the park was packed, the pool was packed from morning till night. This is the only bath and shower house in the park. And this is the men's side. It has 3 showers.
They kept it clean.
Kept it very clean, especially as heavily being used as what it was. Also in that building is the laundry facility. And this kind lady said, fine, go ahead and film. I don't care. I'm doing my laundry.
That's right. There's a little store in there too.
Yeah, they do have a little store there in the office.
And they're very nice.
Yeah, it's a really very accommodating, very friendly park. Right up front is propane. And we are going to head across the park now. If you're into boating, fishing, you're only a 1/4 mile from the entrance to Utah Lake State Park. Now right up here on the left is our little maintenance building. And beyond that, this fence along the left, as far as what you can see, is dog park. It's actually 2 of them.
Yeah, she loved it. It had grass.
They're really, really nice. that gives you an idea of how long those two dog parks are. And there's also horseshoes right out there beside it. And this is inside the dog parks.
They were clean.
Yeah, very clean, and they did have grass, which was very welcome to Maggie.
That's right.
Now, this one row is gravel. The rest of the park is paved. But this row is all, the campsites along the right are water and electric only, no sewer. And back here is another volleyball court, another pavilion, and this is the other tent area, the Sunset Group tent camp area. Now we're going to follow the road here around to the back side of the park. And I will add that all the way around the outside edge of the park is the Provo River. And they do give us a couple of nice spots here where you can go out and watch the river if you want. Now the spots here on the left are back-in sites. Again, those are water and electric only, no sewer. And all of the sites in the middle of the park, again, are pull-throughs, full hookup. Here where you see the dumpster, that's also the dump station. And I've never seen a dump station like this that says charge by the pound, and they've got a scale there. Just saying.
It weighed me very light.
Now, just past that motorhome that we passed, you'll see steps going up, and there's these steps probably 3 or 4 places around the perimeter of the park where you can actually see the Provo River. There's a trail that runs all the way back along that ridge.
And there was a wildcat back there.
Okay, I didn't know about that.
I told you, I think it's a feral cat.
Oh.
It was small.
Now we're going to come up here through one of the main roads through the park. This will give you an idea to see the pull-throughs. The pull-throughs are every second site is the opposite direction. So you're actually sharing the water hookups where the sewer hookup is and electrical box between the sites. So yes, if you've got a neighbor on your campsite, you're a little bit tight with them with the slide outs, but they have put poles in between so everybody stays on their side, and it also, in case there's ever a mishap with somebody going in or out, it keeps your rig protected. The other side with the grass, we'll show you here when we get up to our site. They give you a nice little area in between.
Space, yeah.
So we're going to make a turn and come just a short way up here to where we were parked. Nice trees, they're all trimmed up plenty high that there's no issue with scraping tree limbs or anything. But you did get nice shade from them.
That's right.
So this is our campsite. And there is cable TV provided free of charge. There's Wi-Fi, I believe, also, but our internet worked great with Verizon and T-Mobile. And then your campsite, they have 2 picnic tables on. Our one was kind of pushed way up towards the front. But you can kind of get an idea here just how large these sites are.
We could have parked both in front or in the back.
Absolutely. Well, Cathy, what did you think about our stay at Lakeside RV Park in Provo, Utah?
This has been really nice. It's very comfortable. The trees are beautiful. It's a little bit cooler. Yeah, it's a great spot.
Having come from the desert where everything was rock and dirt, which is beautiful in its own way.
It certainly is.
But it's so nice to have some big trees and the green grass. It's been really a nice stay. The only disturbance at all here is we are across the road from the airport, so every now and then you do hear the jets roar, but it's not very often and it's really not been a problem.
No, it hasn't been.
So with that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, watch for the dot up in that corner at the end of the video. If you tap that, you can subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and that way you'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.